Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to show you how my daughter and I made this little twine Christmas tree. It's very simple to make. We use the Dollar Tree metal witch hat frame. So for this little tree, you're going to need one metal witch hat frame, and you're going to need to cut the sides of the brim of the hat off. Just be very careful when you do that. You're going to need 2 rolls of the Dollar Tree twine. Now you don't have to make yours as thick as we did ours. And there's little Parker, and you're going to need your scissors, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, a little tin pail from Dollar Tree, and some foam. And I think that's it to get started. So I'm just tying on the twine to the little metal frame, and this is so simple to do. You can do this with your kids or grandkids or friends. You just wrap the little hat, the top of the hat, with the twine until you get it the thickness that you want. So you may not want to do as much as we did. We probably added a little bit too much, so ours was just a little bit top heavy, but you just have fun with it and let your kids or grandkids help you do this part. If you do not want to use the twine, some yarn would look adorable too. So here I'm tying on my second piece and just wrapping it. Now, like I said, you can stop at any time. Just whenever you get it like you want, go ahead and stop. And also you're going to need some LED battery powered lights too for your Christmas tree. And if you have some miniature ornaments, I thought that would look cute too. And here's the little tin. Mine may have come from Dollar General, I'm not sure, but you just need a little tin pail that you can wrap with twine or nautical rope, and this is nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and I just add a little hot glue when I started and then just added a little hot glue as I went along. And then I added some rocks to the bottom of my pail so it would not tip over, and then I trimmed the foam and I hot glued the foam into the little pail. And so this is how the Christmas tree looks when my daughter got it wrapped with twine. And it's a beautiful day here. I hope it's pretty where you are. And then we just cut a slit in the foam, stuck the tree, the little bottom of the tree in it, and then glued all around it, and then let it sit and dry. Then I added some fake snow, a bow, and some LED lights. And so this is how it looks, guys.